Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo, in this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energy in this relationship. Okay, your energy in this relationship, your mutual energy, your relationship, and the future potential of your relationship. Okay. Eight of Wands, the Death, Queen of Cups, Knight of Swords, Ace of Wands, the Sun, Five of Swords, and the future is Nine of Pentacles. With this Ace of Wands, I feel that your person is someone who is someone who believes in doing, not saying. Okay, and I'm also feeling for some of you that the communication which was not there in the past is about to happen or is going to happen. Okay, I'm feeling that for some of you, your person is going to communicate with you in coming time, or they are planning to communicate with you. Okay, maybe they were in some kind of transformation kind of a thing. Okay, something has end at their end. Okay, maybe they were going through some tough time, maybe they were going through some it could be for anything. Maybe it is they has it could for some of you it could also happen that your person has lost their job. Now they were in a hunting thing, and to get new job they wanted to start something new, but that was not the right time. Okay, so some new beginning is happening in your person's life. Something has finished at their end, a cycle has been completed at their end in their life. Okay, and some new beginning is about to happen for them in life. With this Queen of Cups, I feel that they were they were involved in some for some of you it could also happen that your person was dealing with some other person. Okay, it could also happen that your person must be I feel that it was a third party situation and your person has moved out from that relationship. Okay, now they want to communicate with you and they want to give you this Queen of Cups. Okay, now they are realizing that you are the only one who is best for them. Okay, and now that's why they want to communicate with you and to offer you this Queen of Cups in coming time. Okay, and I feel that they have a lot of emotions for you in this relationship. They want to grow old with you, they want to make a happy family with you, they have genuine emotions for you, they want to spend rest of their life with you. Okay, now let's see your energies in this relationship. With this Knight of Swords, Ace of Wands, and this Sun, I feel you also want some action from your person, and I feel that you are also keen to take some action towards your person. Okay, you are also moving as fast as you can towards your person to help, to provide them your helping hand. Okay, with this Knight of Swords, I'm feeling that thing, and I feel that with this Ace of Wands, something is definitely going to take place with in this relationship between you and your person. Some action is definitely going to happen between you and your person. It could also happen that you are moving towards them and they are ready with their Queen of Cups, and it could also happen that you guys started to talking about your future plans with each other. Okay, and once both of you will be agree on your relationship, both of you are agree on the offers which your person is offering you in this relationship, then definitely the happiness is coming into your way in this relationship. You are Your person is bringing happiness into your life, and you are also bringing the happiness into your person's life. That's what I'm feeling, Virgo, for you with this Sun card. Okay. And the current energy of your relationship is Five of Swords. uh, I feel your person is the change or the transformation, the Death card, which was there in their energy, which was there in their cards. Okay, they are going to win this card, or it could also happen that they have won the battle, and now they are waiting for you to come and talk to them, or come and to take action towards them. They are really happy because they have won this battle, and now they are waiting for you eagerly to take some action towards them. Okay, and with this Nine of Pentacles, the future is definitely going to be a full of abundance. I feel that both of you needs each other, but or on the other hand, both of you are very independent, both of you are very self sufficient, both of you are very happy in your own energies. Okay, lot of abundance is with you. You have everything, both of you have everything in life to offer to your person, and you guys are not going to dominate your person. You guys are not going to be a burden on your person in future. That's what I'm feeling with this Nine of Pentacles. Okay, now let's see what is the overall outcome of this reading. Overall outcome of this reading for my dear Virgo is the Hanged Man. Okay, so with this Hanged Man, I feel that you guys are waiting for the right time to take action towards each other. Okay, so since they are going through some kind of a transformation, and it can take some more time. Okay, so that's why you feel that it's not the right time to take action right now, and your person is also very mature, that they also feel that no, it is not the right time to communicate with you. So as of now, the relationship is in Hanged Man energy. Both of you have taken a little step back towards your person. Okay, but you are definitely going to come towards each other in coming time. You are definitely going to offer some love and emotion to your person. You guys are definitely going to be together in coming time. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you all the signs. We have water sign with this Queen of Cups is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have air sign also with this Five of Swords, Knight of Swords. Okay, we Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have fire sign as well with this Eight of Wands and Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have earth sign as well with this Nine of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have Scorpio with this Death card, and yes, now let's take one divine message for my dear Virgos. One divine message for my Virgos. Okay. The situation will improve. So again, as I said, you guys have taken a step back towards your person. Okay, but angels are saying that definitely the situation is going to improve in coming time. So you need to have faith in God and divine timings. Okay, so that was the reading for Virgo. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, Virgo, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.